Okay, so that's Gator country, Molly Hatchet. We got some great riffs in here. We're gonna have we got a triple harmony going on this. We're gonna slide from the 2 to the 3 on the E, hit the open G string, and then guitar 1 is gonna go. And you can do some pull-offs on this, but it's 2-0 on the G, and then 3-2-0 on the D, 3-2-0 on the A. So it's. Then we're back to the 3 and open. Then we have an ascending riff. It comes back a little at the end. So it's big 3, open 3 on the A to 2 on the D. So 3-0, 3-2, open D, 3 open on the A. So okay, so we got. Okay, and that goes 7 times through. That's guitar 1. So let's do it 2 times through. 3, 4. Okay, then guitar 2 is going to be a lower harmony than that. 3 to open still, but then 3-2-0, 3-2-0, 3-0. So 3-2-0 in the D, 3-2-0 in the A, 3-0 in the E. 3 open again. Now this time we're going to go open 2 on the E, open on the A, 2 on the D, O2, O2, and then that same open 3 open, D string, 3 open on the A. So. O2, O2, O3, O. Okay, so let's do that 2 times. 2, 3, 4. Okay, 7 times with that also. Then guitar 3 is really just going to wait till after the. And it's going to come in with 1 open, 2 open. So that was 1 open on the 2nd string, 2 open on the 3rd, 3-2 open on the D, 2 into 3 there. So it would wait for after the 3 to open, and then go. And then it would hit that 2 to 3 into the next one, but it doesn't have one to go along with the sort of ascending riff. So it'd be. Wait. Boom down. Wait. 3 open. Wait. See how that one goes? Okay, so that goes 7 times as well. That's guitar 3. Then the chorus, we have a D chord. Now one of the guitars is going down, up, down, and then D again. But one of them is going into that sus. Where I have an open on the little E string with that D chord, so it's. And this is the C add 9 chord, 3 on the A, 3-2 open, 3 open. And we'll do the down, up, down to a G chord with the double 3s down here. So we got. And then we have a O2, 3 on the E, and then O2, 3, 4 on the A. Back into it. The second time it goes. So 3-2-0 from the C chord. Quickly to that 2 on the A string. And then D to G. So let's see, the 2 holds a little bit. Open, open. We got 2 Ds, and that's where they have that clap in there that comes in really cool. Right? And then we're back in the chorus. Second half. Now we have a descending riff. So we have 2-0 on the G, 3-2-0 on the D, 3 on the A, big 1 on F note there. Hold that for a measure, and that also has a lower harmony. So 3-2-0 in the D, 3-2-0 in the A to that F. Okay, so the whole chorus again. Clap. With the lower part. Okay, all that stuff, we do all that 6 times. We have another chorus, and then we're gonna go back into the A riff just 2 times, and then we have another chorus, but this one's gonna be just the second part of the chorus, so. Okay, then we're back into part A. There's a lot of guitar solos in this. We're not going to do too much on that this time. We do have some interludes that are really cool in harmony, and we will look at the first intro solo at the end of this. So moving on, we have more part A 4 times, etc. Right? Then we get into a chorus. It's going to be a full chorus, so both times through. Now we're going to get into a new solo section. It's going to have G, F to C there, and then F, C, F, C. So you can kind of throw a F to C, F, or you can add an extra C at the end. F to C, F, C, back to G. F to C, G, F to C, F. Okay, then we're going to have an interlude. So that was starting on the 9 on the A string. So we got 9, 10, 12, 9, 10, 9, 10, 12 on the D there. 9 on the G, back to 12. 9, 10, 11. Slide it way up. And that's got a harmony line with it. Starts on the 12 on the A. So we go 12, 14, next string we go 11, 12, 14, 12, 14. So then we have 11 on the G, and then 12, 11, 12, 13, 14. Slide it up, so we got. And that goes with. Then we're back into soloing. This time it's just G and F to C. It's kind of more basic, it's more chill. Okay, so. Now we're going to have another interlude. We're going to start on the 10th fret of the A string. We have. So that's guitar 1 of this harmony part. We got 10, 10, 12, 9 to 10 on the D. 9, 10, 9, back to 10 over here on the A. Then start on the 12 on the A. 12 to 9, 10, 12. And then the last 3 notes are 10 to 9 on the G, 12 on the D. So it's. Repeat it. Now the next part is going to start on that note, that 12. Okay, and that's all of that guitar 1 for that whole thing. So the new part again is 12 on the D, 12, 14, 15, 12 on the G, 14, 15, 12 on the D, back to 12, and then 14, 15. 12, 14, and then the last 3 are 13 to 12 on the B string, 12 on the G. So it's. Repeat it. And then it's back. More soloing. Okay, so guitar 2 of this thing is going to start on that 12, so it's going to do that last part that we did to start with. And now it's going to start in the 12 and the G string. 12, 14, 12, 13. 12, 13, 12, so we got. Now we'll start on the 14. 12, 13, 15 on the B. Last three notes are 13, 12 on the E to 15 on the B, so it's... Repeat. Okay, so one more time through these leads, we got... Okay, and guitar 2 is... So we have an intro lead that's going to come in after the... After a couple times of that, we're going to have this lead in the intro. We got... Okay, so we have 12, 14 on the D, 12 on the G, back to that 14. Two of those there. Couple bends up, like a up and down, back up on the 14 on the G. And then 15 on the second string. And let that 14 come down. You got to pull off, 14, 12. And then like a triplet, 14, 12 to 14. Okay, next measure. 12 on the G, 14, 12, 14. Pull off. And then we have a... These are kind of like triplets. They're kind of 3 in a row. 14, 12, and the D down to 14. 12, 14, 12. 14, 13, 12, and the A. So it's... Next measure. 10 on the A. 12, 10, 12 on the E. And then 12 to 14 on the A. Next measure is... So 12 to 14, starting on the D. Bend that 15 on the second. So the whole lead is... Now when we do that, they have a harmony on that. They're going to go basically the same thing, but starting on the D string. So, another hammer on. 12, 14, 12. Bend the little 15, so it's... Okay, and there's one more little tasty bit of a solo I wanted to give you. It's very memorable. It's like... Okay, so we bend that 15 on the second string twice. Let me take it down. Hold that a little bit. Little pickup note in that 12, and then 3 pull-offs right there, 13, 12. And on that 12, so it's... Okay, and I'll do another lesson soon with more leads from Gator Country by Molly Hatchet. Got a couple pages of tabs. Thanks for watching. Peace out.